Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix sound delay while screen recording on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, check if too many apps are running in the background. Having multiple apps open can cause performance issues, including audio delay. Close unused apps, or simply restart your iPhone to refresh system performance and clear temporary glitches. Next, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Go to Settings, tap General, then select Software Update. Installing the latest update ensures your device receives performance improvements and bug fixes, which can resolve screen recording audio issues. Also, avoid heavy tasks while recording, such as gaming or multitasking, since these can affect audio syncing. These simple adjustments can significantly reduce or eliminate sound delay during screen recording on your iPhone. So that's basically how you can fix sound delay while screen recording on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.